In order to change your Facebook page description, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead, open your Facebook application, log into your account, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and switch your account to your account page. Once you've switched your account to your page, go ahead, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, or you can directly go to your profile of your Facebook page. Here, you'll get the option of edit public details. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get different options like adding a profile picture, adding a cover photo, avatar, bio, intro, and featured. As we are looking to edit our Facebook page description, we have to go ahead and tap on add, that is beside the bio option. Now you'll get this section where you can go ahead and edit your description. Your new description will be visible on your page right away. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.